In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how you can create a gradient as a fill and even as an outline for text and shapes in Affinity 3. So I have a text here, I'm going to select my text with my Move tool, and then I'm going to take my Fill tool here by clicking or pressing G on my keyboard and then just dragging it out. Now I can change my colors using the menu on top here and then selecting the color I want to change and change it this way. Or I can just click here and then go to color and change it that way also. As you can see, it's really a responsive gradient. It adjusts to where you drag everything, and you can drag this middle one also if you want to. So now we have a text fill gradient, but you can also create a text outline or an object outline gradient. So I'm going to take my Move tool and select my text again, take my Fill tool. I'm going to go on top of here and change fill into stroke and then create a new fill. So now I have a stroke fill, but you don't see it yet. So first, what we're going to do is go to stroke to the right here and then increase the width of our stroke. And as you can see, we have a stroke. We are also going to put the alignment to the outside of our texts. And then we can also change the color, of course, by selecting this and then changing it here, or going on top of here and changing it this way. And then you can change the alignment or the type of gradient also you're using. If you want to change the fill of your text to gradient fill, you can go to Appearance, and then here, as you can see, you have a stroke and a fill. If I select the fill, I can now change my colors on top of here if I want to, or by selecting this one and then changing it in the color window, which is also an option. But that's how you can create a gradient, fill and outline in Affinity 3. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.